Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be on this smoky green and gold St. Patrick's Day inspired makeup look. That was a long one. I wanted to do a makeup tutorial for you guys because it has been so long since I last filmed a makeup tutorial because of my camera situation. The tripod socket in my camera is broken. So anytime I try to attach that to my camera, my tripod, it's always never stays. But I did figure out a way to stand my camera on my tripod so it doesn't follow me. But yes, I was going to do a talk through for this makeup look, but Stella was sleeping in the background behind me in the playpen, but she's waking up now. So I am able to do a talking intro for you guys. But this is a voiceover tutorial, and I did skip my foundation routine for you guys because and my eyebrows because you guys have seen me do that so many times on my channel. If you guys want to see a foundation routine, I will happily do that, or maybe I am planning to do that in the next few weeks. But yes, I use the same product all of in this video. But I will list out all of the products I use for this makeup look down in the description box below. But I did use a lot of new products during this video. Some of the products I tried only once, some I've never tried at all, so I'm happy to share with you guys my thoughts and reviews for that as I walk you guys through this makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoy this video and this makeup look. If you guys did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to my channel down below so you guys can stay up to date with everything that I post on my channel. Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and if you guys are Irish or celebrate St. Patrick's Day, I hope you guys have a wonderful St. Patrick's Day. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys! Hey guys, so I'm first going to start off by priming my eyelids, and I'm going to be using the NYX HD Eyeshadow Base. This is my first time using this eyeshadow base, and the consistency is a little bit thinner than normal, but it does the job, and I like the little applicator that comes with it. To set the primer, I am using the NYX HD Finishing Powder, and I'm just going to apply that all over my lids just to make sure all of the eyeshadows will blend and apply really smoothly. I'm going to be baking underneath my eyes, and I'm going to be using the Coty Airspun just to make sure that any fallout that comes along with this eyeshadow I can easily clean up later. For my eyes, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism palette, and for my crease area, I'm going to be first starting off with the shade Eden. This is like a salmony shade. It's really pretty. The eyeshadows in this palette are very pigmented, and I totally forgot about it, so I just went in really heavy-handed, and then I just realized how pigmented it was. So I'm going to apply Eden all over my crease area using this blending brush from SEDONA Lace, and I'm just going to blend that out really well because I just applied too much on my brush. I'm going to intensify the crease area a little bit, and I'm going to be taking that reddish brownish shade called Saturn, and I'm going to use a different crease brush to apply that all over my crease area. I like this crease brush because it's a little bit pointed, so it just defines the crease a little bit more. Next, I'm taking the shade Parallel for my outer corner, and I'm just going to apply that all over the outer corner of my eye, and I'm going to keep applying this until I get the intensity that I want. I really want the outer corner to stand out and be a little bit smokier than normal, so I'm just going to keep applying this beautiful dark brown shade on the outer V of my eye. Premiumbeat.com. I'm just gonna blend out that crease area just to make sure everything looks seamless and there are no harsh lines. Next, for my all over the lid shade, I'm taking this beautiful shimmery forest green shade called Throne, and I'm just gonna split my brush with a little bit of MAC Fix Plus just to intensify it. And I'm gonna start from the inner corner, but not all the way from the inner corner, if you know what I mean. And I'm just gonna blend that all over my lids and letting that meet with the parallel shade. This shade is so pretty. I've never seen anything like this, and I love the intensity of this forest green shade, and I think it just goes really well for the St. Patty's Day look that I'm going for. I'm going to go back to parallel and intensify that outer corner a little bit more because it did blend out or blend away when I was packing the Throne shade. So I'm just going to pack more of that onto the outer corner just to intensify that area a little bit more. I'm going back to that shade Saturn just to blend out the crease area again to make sure that everything is well blended and seamless. I went back with a different brush just because that eye looked kind of muddy, so I just used a different eyeshadow brush just to blend out that crease area. Next, I'm going to do a typical wing line, and I'm going to be using the NYX HD Matte Liquid Liner in black, and I'm just going to extend that wing a little bit further out than normal. And I'm just going to speed through this because you guys have seen me do my wing line a gazillion times. I'm going to wipe away that baking using this amazing brush from Luxie Beauty. For my waterline, I'm going to be taking this Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in Perversion, and I'm just going to line my waterline with this. This shade is so pigmented and this eye pencil is so buttery, it just glided onto my waterline so smoothly. I'm going to smoke out that lower lash line, going back with the shade Parallel, and I'm taking that on a flat definer brush from Morphe. And again, I'm just going to smoke out my lower lash line, starting from the outer corner and bringing that all the way to the inner corner. And I'm just going to blend everything out, going back with that shade Saturn, using a pencil brush. I'm going to take this shade called Pyramid. It's just a beautiful shimmery gold shade on a tiny petite shader brush, and I'm just going to apply that and pack that on to my inner corners. I did apply MAC Fix Plus onto my brush just to intensify that a little bit. curl my lashes and apply a little bit of mascara onto my upper and lower lashes. And the mascara I'm going to be using today is the Tarte Lash Paint Mascara for my upper lashes and the Wet n Wild Mega Slim Mascara for my lower lashes. I also applied my falsies, and the falsies I used was the Ardell Cluster Wispies in number 602. For bronzer, I'm using the Tarte Park Princess Bronzer, and I'm just gonna bronze up my cheekbones and also along my hairline. This is the first time I'm using this bronzer, and it is so pretty. I love the shade and the pigmentation of this bronzer. For contour, I'm going to be using the NYX 3 Steps to Sculpt Face Sculpting Palette in Light, and I'm just using the contour shade, and I'm just going to contour up the cheekbones. I'm also going to be baking underneath the cheekbone just to not make it look so messy. I forgot the word that I was looking for. I'm also going to highlight my brow bone using these two shades, Unity and Lucid, on this little shader brush from Luxie. For blush, I'm taking the Morphe 9B blush palette, and I'm just gonna blush or apply blush onto my cheekbone, mixing those two colors together just to come up with this pretty everyday go-to blush shade. Not too pink, not too orangey or anything like that. I'm gonna dust away the baking underneath my cheekbone just to reveal that sharp line. And for highlight, I'm using the Ofra Cosmetics Rodeo Drive highlight, and it's just so gorgeous. I love the gold shade of this. It's just so pretty, and I'm just gonna apply that on the high points of my cheek, the bridge of my nose, and my cupid's bow, and a little bit on my chin. And I'm just gonna blend everything out to make sure that it's smooth, and I did apply more of that highlighter just to intensify it because I'm so extra. To set my face, I'm taking the Mikasa, the MAC Fix Plus, and for lippies, I'm going to be taking the e.l.f. Moisturizing Lipstick in Cheeky and topping it off with the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb. And that is the look, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. Again, I'm sorry if the quality is not good, but I tried my best. But I hope you guys have an amazing St. Patrick's Day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.